Here we have a 2020 Sea Ray 210 SPX. Beautiful boat, only 88 hours on it. A lot of room in the bow there. Rated for 12 people. Does have a custom color Mercury 200 horse outboard on the back. Ski tow bar. Walk-through transom. A lot of seating in here. L-shaped seating in the back. Snap-in seaweed flooring. Depth finder. Fusion stereo system. Tilt steering. Storage. Well, it's a storage under all the seats. In the floor. Check out the speakers here. Fusion speakers to match the stereo. Step in the front if you want to get off the boat there. Stainless grab handles. Walk through windshield. Nice deep 4-step stainless ladder. Also comes with a trailer. Give us a call or stop in SkipperBud's to check this one out. We also offer financing.